Hey, what's up everyone? It's your Surgeon Javi. I just wanted to follow up with you guys and let you know of some exciting things happening here in our MPD headquarters. First, we will be attending this year's Gadget Repair Expo in San Antonio, Texas on October 13th and 14th. I will be doing live demos showing you how to repair Samsung Galaxy screens. Plus, we will be hosting our very own booth showcasing all of our latest equipment and services. For those of you in the repair industry, I highly recommend this expo. I have been to many conventions and expos across the world and nothing compares to what the GRE has to offer. It's the first and only repair-focused expo in the industry. I will be doing a giveaway of a few complimentary tickets and also have some discount codes for 50% off for those of you who don't win. Second, we are increasing our inventory and our recommended equipment and supplies, and they will be readily available for purchase on our website. Whether you want the latest OLED 2022 laminator, 2-in-1 Samsung glass, or 4 361 Plus, we'll have stock on training.mrphonedoctor.com. And last but not least, we are growing. Mr. Phone Doctor just purchased another 1,400 square foot facility to expand our work lab to better fulfill all your B2B needs. Build a state-of-the-art studio for more content and to have a dedicated workspace to offer full-service hands-on training. All this will help increase our leadership in the repair industry. I hope you are as excited as we are about these updates. Stay tuned for some behind-the-scene looks at all there is to come. Until then, check out the GRE Expo and remember to always mind the flex.